Hi friends, let's make coconut dal chutney. So these are the ingredients. We will absolutely not use any oil. This is a dry zero oil chutney. Some mustard. Add about 1 spoon of jeera also. Some coriander seeds. I like the taste of coriander seeds. Again, it's optional. Urad dal is something that I personally like the taste. It gives a little bit of crunchiness. Again, if you do not use it, you don't have to. Some red chilies. I've used about 3. And the quantity of my chutney is less. If you want it more spicy, you can add more red chilies and keep frying it dry in the pan. Some curry leaves, it gives a nice flavor, and I want even a little bit of green color to the chutney. It's good for digestion as well, so I would prefer to add it. Some green chilies, again about 2 or 3, not many, depending on your spice levels. Now the main ingredient, fried gram. I've taken about 1 cup. I'm doing a very small quantity, but if you need more, you can take about 2 cups of fried gram, and all of this nicely fried together on the pan. Make sure the consistency of the color comes to about golden brown. Fry it over a medium flame so that it doesn't burn out. And as you're seeing, absolutely no oil. Yeah, that's the color. Now let's take all of this into a grinder and just grind it. Before that, the main ingredient, let's add some coconut pieces. I've added about a quarter piece of coconut pieces. Some salt for taste. So once we ground it, I am adding some little bit of water to the powder to make it. And now the consistency is your wish. I like it thick. If you want it loose, you can add more water. Goes well with idli, dosa or any South Indian tiffins. There you go. Don't forget to subscribe, like and also share with your friends. Please keep encouraging me. Thank you.